Hello, government. Happy Friday, February 22nd. Hope you are all doing well. So none of this should be completely and totally new for you, but just some sub plans so you know exactly what you're supposed to do today and what you need to get done. Okay, so we are on Classroom. Your signers' websites. Okay, for one, this is where you guys will access the websites. So hopefully everybody has theirs up and has a useful link, okay, because we're going to need those. Okay, so everybody has theirs up there. The link is there. And then what you will do, oh, I'm frozen there, yeah, go. Okay, then what we'll do, I have for each of you, and your sub will have these, okay, they are hard copy critiques. Okay, so there's a critique, there's some check boxes of things that you need to check to see that your person had on their website, and you'll check those off. All right, and then there's some comments here you need to leave. And then on the back side is a rubric. So you'll go through and circle like what did they get on the rubric. There is a front and a back. Okay, so what I've done on each of these, I will have your name and the signer's name, and then the person, the website, like you're critiquing. So I've already assigned those for you. They will be on Classroom, but also I will already have the names written on these papers, and your sub will pass them out. Each of you will be critiquing 2 websites. You need to get them done by the end of the hour, because you're going to take this paper and you're going to hand it to them, okay, to the person you critique at the end of the hour, so they can have that, so they can make any changes that they need to before Monday. Okay, so I'll have a list of it there, but then each of you will have this. Okay, so specifically, I know Lulu and Addie are going to be gone. If somebody else is going to be gone, that is all right. What you'll do is you still need to do this. However, you can't hand this to the person because you're not in class, so you need to take a picture of it then, and you need to email it to them so they have that feedback. Okay, so that's specifically for Addie and Lulu. All right, so just be aware of that. If for some reason your website isn't up, then that person can't critique it, so you don't get any feedback. And if for some reason yours isn't up again, you will still give somebody some feedback. So you're still critiquing even if yours isn't done. Even if it's not complete, I still recommend your website should be up there so people can see it, okay? So you'll do 2 of those. You should get those done in class just fine. When you get that done, I know none of you have this done. Okay, so this assignment, the Federalist versus the Anti-Federalist, you need to make sure that this chart is done. These papers, these sets of papers, they're going to be up at the board, okay? Use them, keep them together, do not take them home. I have put, I will attach pictures to this assignment, so if you don't get it finished, you can get it finished over the weekend, okay? You do not need to worry about getting these charts done, okay, or this section done down here. You only need to worry about getting that top half done, okay? That is due for Monday. Once again, if you don't get it finished in class, attached to Classroom, I will have pictures of these documents, so you've got them to finish it at home. So you need to come Monday with this done, this chart done, and with your website ready to go, because I'm going to look at it and that's that, okay? So use those critiques, get them back to each other. Be helpful, guys, be thoughtful, and get those things done. And so be ready for that to turn all that stuff in on Monday, okay? Guys, have a really good weekend. Have some fun, get some rest, make good choices, come back in one piece, be good for your sub. And if you don't know what to do, refer back to this video. Deuces.